Come on, Charlie. I'm gonna get the camera wet. Here he comes. Controlled descent. Ooh. He's in the bottom. Can he get out? Oh, and here he comes. Covered in sand. Yeah, got a nose full. Let's see what he's got at the back. Oh, not too bad at the back. Okay, this is Dulhunty River. We've stayed here tonight and Glenn's just going to have another go at this drop in. Charlie's just done it. State of origin day today. Glenn's wearing his maroons. All very controlled. Very controlled. It's got the wheels turned to the... Straighten up your wheels, Jed. Oh, he's going in. Oh, nice. Didn't get the nose full of sand today. Any on the back? Oh, a little bit on the back. All good. Have a bit of a bath and we're off for the day. Heading to north up to Elliott Falls. What's that other falls, Susie? Fruitbat Falls. Should be a good day. Looks like the rain might have cleared. Looking at blue skies up there. Probably can't tell. No, there you go. And helmet. There's helmet. Up the top. Helmet, give us a wave.